guys, welcome back to my channel for another CVS deals video. Happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me once again, and this is the first week of this ad cycle, and I'm going to pick the first winner from the comment section of this video and announce it in my 629 video. Please enter by leaving a comment, subscribe and like this video, and if you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you and I hope you like it here and you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. Select game products are on sale for 2 for $15, no extra care box back. Pick up 1 gain liquid and 1 gain flings. Then go to Coupons 24 app and use a $3 for the liquid and a $3 for the gain flings. That will take off $6 and you pay $9, making them just $9 or $4.50 each. Or you can redeem $5 gift card from P&G Good every day. Then you pay $4 for both, making them $2 each. My next deal is on Colgate toothpaste on sale for $3.99, but when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2, both will total $7.98. We have a $2 digital coupon and you pay $5.98 and get 5 back, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next oral care deal is on Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $7.98. Use 3 of 2 Crest digital coupon, then you pay $4.98 and get 4 back, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 on any Garnier facial care. Pick up 2 Garnier Skin Active Blackhead Eliminating Scrub, priced at $9.26 each. Both will total $18.52. Use a 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT and you pay $16.52 and get 8 back, making them just $8.52 or $4.26 Another each. Easy deal you can pick up this week will be on the Chic disposable razors. They're on sale for 2 for $14 and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and pay $9, get $2 back, making them just $7 or $3.50 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $2 back on soft soap, hand soap, or the 3-pack Irish Spring Bar soap. They're on sale for $2.49. Pick up 2 and both will total $4.98. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. My next deal will be on Axe deodorant, body spray or body wash. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 Axe body wash, priced at $6.29, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.15. These two will total $9.44. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.44 and you get 2 back, making them just $2.44 or $1.22 each. If you want to pick up the deodorant, they are priced at $7.79 and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.90. Both will total $11.69. Use the 5 off 2 coupon and you pay $6.69 and get 2 back, making them $4.69 or $2.35 each. All raw sugar products are on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, no extra care box back. And I have 2 options for this deal. Pick up 2 raw sugar body wash priced at $9.49. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.49 and that will make each one just $3.25. The second option is to pick up 2 Kiss raw sugar shampoo and conditioner priced at $6.39. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $3.39, making each one just $1.70. I'm sure there is no limit to this deal, but the reason I said 2 options is because we only have 1 3 off 2 digital coupon. The first hair care deal I have is on Garnier Whole Blend. They're on sale for 2 for $8 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. Check your app. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. That will leave you to pay $5 and get 3 back, making them just $2 or $1 each. My next hair care deal is on Head and Shoulders, 10.6 to 12.5 ounces. They're on sale for 2 for $14 and when you buy 2, you get $6 back. Pick up 2. Go to Coupon 24 app. There is a 3 off 2 coupon that will drop it down to $11 and you get 6 back, making them just $5 or $2.50 each. The next hair care deal is on Garnier Fructis. They're on sale for 2 for $8 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner, or you can pick up the regular shampoo or conditioner. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $5, get 3 back, making them $2 or $1 each. My next deal is on OGX hair care. They on sale for buy one get one half off, and they are part of buy two get $4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $9.29, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $4.65. These two will total $13.94. Check your app. We have a 6 off 2 coupon that will drop you down to $7.94 and you get 4 back. It will make them $3.94 or $1.97 each. Any Suave hair care or deodorant are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 Suave essentials priced at $3.19, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $1.60. These two will total $4.79. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $2.79 or $1.40 each. 12.6 ounce L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioners are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2. We don't have any coupon for this deal. Pay the 10 and get 4 back, making them $6 or $3 each. My next deal is spend 30, get $10 back. Pick up 1 bounce dryer sheets on sale for $6.99, 2 Tide Pods on sale for $5.49 each, and 2 Charmin 4 mega rolls on sale for $5.99 each. These 5 items will total $29.95, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. If you're doing this deal, make sure your store follows the 98% rule. That way you'll get your extra care box back. We have 2 digital coupons you can use for this deal. One is $1.50 for the Tide Pod, and the second one is $1 coupon for the Charmin bath tissue. The rest of the coupons will be from Coupons 24 app, and that's $1.50 coupon for the second Tide Pod, and $1 off coupon for the second bath tissue, and $1.50 off coupon for the bounce dryer sheet. The 5 coupons will take off $6.50, and you pay $23.45. Get 10 back, making them just $13.45 or $2.69 each. The next deal I have is spend 15, get $5 back. Pick up 1 Cottonelle 9 mega rolls on sale for $9.99 and 1 Kleenex 3 packs on sale for $5.99. These two will total $15.98. Pay that and get $5 back, and that will make them just $10.98 or $5.49 each. If you need a filler item, I found the iJoy speakers on clearance for $2.49. Kellogg's cereals are on sale for $1.99 each and no extra care box back. The family size Chips Ahoy's are on sale for buy one get one free, and they are part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2, price at $6.29. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $4.29 or $2.15 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $2 back on Nabisco's cookies and crackers 2.125 to 6.5 ounce. Pick up 2, they are on sale for 2 for $5. Pay 5 and get $2 back, making them just $3 or $1.50 each. Maxwell House coffees are on sale for $7.99 and is part of buy one get $2 back. Pick up 1, pay $7.99 and get $2 back, making it just $5.99 only. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.